Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok inbox notification not showing. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that your notifications are not working for your TikTok app, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go back from here, go to your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just have to disconnect that. After disconnecting, just go to general again, go to software update, right? Update your software. After updating software, go to App Store and you go to search and search for TikTok, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find this time to update your app, so after updating your issue will be fixed. If you're still not fixed your issues, you can go to TikTok app, and here in TikTok, just tap on the profile option at the bottom right, tap on three horizontal lines, tap on settings and privacy, select free up space and select clear cache. So it will clear cache and the junk files from your TikTok app if there will be any bug it will be fixed in this tab. Or you can also go to your settings app and go to notifications, look for TikTok app here, and you just have to make sure that you have enabled notification settings for your TikTok app. Or you can also tap on TikTok notification settings to manage notifications from your TikTok app. And here you have to look for direct messages. So just wait for the loading, or you can also try to reload this page. Go to settings and privacy here and just look for notifications. And you just have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle, which is direct messages. So once you have enabled, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, we have the only way. Just keep a long press on your TikTok app, tap on remove app, then tap on delete, then tap on delete option again. It will completely delete or uninstall app from your phones. After uninstallation, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok app, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.